Did you get the page I sent to you?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir, got it.
Okay, and smile on your face. It's contacts, ban contacts. The whole wealth of
Yes,
Alaska
sir.
passes over the lunch table at the Commodore Hotel, and that's the wonder of this country. You see, capitalism means deal. If you want to succeed in capitalism, you have to get good deal. How much America paid for Alaska. Alaska was Russian place. Russians sold it for $75,000. It is bigger than half of America. Russia sold Alaska for $75,000, and now Alaska is the biggest oil field of America. You understand? So if you get a right deal at the
Yes, sir, I know
correct
that, sir.
time, yeah, if you get a right deal at the correct time, that will make you rich. So Americans became rich by doing business. So if you want to be rich, the only way is to do business. You understand?
Yes, sir.
Business
Yes,
is the
sir.
only way to get rich. That's what Willy Loman is saying. And in order to be in a good position, all you need is contact. If you have good contact, you are rich. And if you don't have a good contact, you are as poor as a day laborer. You understand? In order to get higher to a position, all you need is contact, friendship. You understand?
Yes, sir.
And
Obviously, sir. Without link up, we cannot gain oil.
no,
Like
you
business.
need to contact with good people. That will take to a different height. Okay, let's see what he's saying. And that's why when you get out on the field today, it's important because thousands of people will be rooting for you and loving you. And Ben, when he walks into the business office, his name will sound out like a bell and all the doors will open to him. I have seen it, Ben. I have seen it 1,000 times. You can't feel it with your hand like timber, but it's there. Willie thinks his son is a very famous man, and once he starts business, he's going to make it. But inside Willie, he knows it for sure that that's not going to happen, because no matter how good is your father, if you cannot do anything by yourself, that wouldn't give you anything. Rabindranath Tagore's son did not become Rabindranath Tagore. You understand? And a lot of rich men's son
Obviously, sir.
ended up zero. You understand? So if your father is a rich man, that doesn't make you a rich man. You could very well end up being a very poor man. Understand?
Obviously,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Business
We
policy
have
actually
to.
you cannot
Yes,
declare
yes.
that's you can do well. Here is
does-
up down. Obviously,
Yeah,
sir.
yeah.
It's a
It
part
does.
of business.
Your father position does not guarantee your position. So even he thinks he's
Obviously,
successful.
sir.
He is successful, but he is not successful. And his son is not going to be successful because the time he's talking about is 100 years back. Your father's time is not your time. So you're not going to be as successful as your father, following your father's footstep. Understood? Ben, goodbye,
Yes, sir.
William. Now Ben knows that Willie is lying, and that's why Ben wants to leave. You understand? Ben,
Yes, sir.
am I right? Don't you think I'm right? Value your advice. There is a new continent at your doorstep, William. You could walk out rich. Rich, he's gone. Well, we'll do it here, the Ben. You hear me? We are gonna do it here. Ben says that if you want to be rich, you have to get out of the home. You cannot be rich staying at home. If you are always staying at
Sir,
your home.
sir, actually, Ben got diamonds, sir, in jungle from searching his father,
No, it's not
Alexa.
the real diamond. It's the business he's talking about. It's not the diamond. It's just it's a symbol that you can become rich going to the jungle, and you can turn out to be rich. But it's not really a diamond. You don't. It doesn't mean literally he meant diamond. I mean, richness would mean diamond. You
Oh, I
understand?
see.
Yeah. It's not literal
So he stayed
meaning.
in jungle 5 years
Yeah.
for
If you stay
acquiring
5 years
technique like
for
business.
some time, if you get out of the house, you can be rich. But staying at home doing nothing, you can
Sir,
never be rich.
Assalamualaikum.
Alaikum salam.
Like we have to get out from our home.
Yeah, for example, if you didn't come to Dhaka and if you didn't study at university and if your father didn't come to the university, they would be still plowing land. They would be farmers for some time. If my father didn't come to Dhaka, if he didn't study, he might be end up as a farmer. So you have to get out, you have to spread out, and you have to change the profession of your father if you have to, if you can, because the
Obviously,
same
sir, obviously.
profession would not work for 100 years.
Again,
The profession that was good 100 years back is not good now. So you have to think new, you have to be innovative, and you have to have new business ideas so that you can thrive. In order to thrive, in order to
Sir, actually, professional process actually it's a game. You can follow my parents. That's why all of time I cannot win. I have to using my creativity, my maturity, and
yeah,
to exchange in a society. That's
of
why I'll
course.
get good marks here.
Of course, because your father's time is a different time. Your time is a different time. You are a child of different time, so you have different values, and God has created you for a different purpose. Your father was created for
Obviously,
one purpose. You are created for a different purpose. You have a mission of your own, and that you have to complete that. Everyone has his own mission in this world. Your father's mission is complete because he has done
so
it.
actually, sir, so actually, this drama Arthur Miller would like to criticize the modern American people that they believe that they have to would like success without working hard. That's why this
No, no, no. You see, there are a lot of different immigrants in America. Some of them are from Eastern Europe. Some of them are from Western Europe. People who are from Western Europe, they knew business very well. But people who are from Eastern Europe, they knew only cultivation of land. So they could not thrive in America because only plowing lands would not make you rich. You have to have some sort of business ideas like the British have. British people have business ideas, and that's why they could thrive in America. And people from like Scandinavia, they could also thrive because they have some business ideas. Not everyone can be successful. The Arthur Miller is saying that because the early immigrants in America would be most of them would be doing agriculture. Their main job was to agriculture, catching fish and all these things. And that's why not everyone could be successful, because when these business people grew in America, they were outnumbering all these farmers, and they had difficulty, the farmers had difficulty living a life. You understand?
obviously
And this
they
Willie
live
man,
in like hands and mouths.
yeah, this Willie Loman is from a rural place. He is still a farmer, but he wants to compete with the business people, which he could not do. He turned out to be a failure because he's not a businessman. You understand? Let's see
Obviously,
what
sir.
he's saying. Linda, did you pack fresh underwear? I want to go. They are going to have a uh, match. Beef is going to play, and if Beef can perform in that game, Beef would be hired by a very big football team. Messi, do you know how much Messi get if he in a year? How much he earns? Or Neymar? Do you know how much Neymar earns or Messi earns? More than $1 billion. If you're a good,
So many, sir.
yeah,
A
if
lot
you
of.
are a good player, you can earn a lot of money, as you'd find in the case of Messi or Neymar. They are all,
Actually, sir, Brazil, Argentina, actually a poor country.
yeah,
They show up like Neymar and Messi.
yeah,
They have
but
to all of the time they follow the Neymars. Neymars gain, that means the country will be show up in all over the world.
yeah, it is a kind of that it's true. But then again, you see, Beef really thinks that if his son gets a good chance in a big team, his son will earn a lot of money, and in a way he will be rich. But that's not going to happen. He has a big mouth and he has big ambition, but his son is not a good player. There is no chance that Beef is going to get a position in that football team. Father has ambition, but it's not going to happen.
Sir, actually, William have a wrong idea. She believed that her son have a
His son,
maturity, good looking, but without working hard.
yeah,
Working hard is a main part of life, like link up.
yeah,
You have to
exactly.
link up with your clients.
If they do not work hard, they are not going to make it.
Obviously, sir.
Yes, do. Please do come. I'm recording. Please, can you come later? Yeah. In 30 minutes. Okay. Did you get
Sir,
the
got
next?
it.
Did you get it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now you see it says that
Page 69.
it's 69. The father is also is still very proud of his son. He's saying, Bernard, can I be? Because I told everybody I'm going to be in the locker room. Happy in the Abbotsfield, it is clubhouse. Bernard, I meant the clubhouse. Beef, beef. Let him carry the shoulder guards. Happy, stay close to us now. Everybody wave when beef comes out on the field. You set now. When you are very proud of your son, you can imagine a lot of situation, like when if you think your son is a Shah Rukh Khan, then you would expect a lot of crowd waving their hand to Shah Rukh Khan. He thinks his son is a
And
Shah Rukh
shout
Khan.
everywhere.
Willie Luman thinks that beef is a Shah Rukh Khan, and everybody,
His son is like Shah Rukh Khan. Yes, sir. Yes,
yeah,
sir.
he thinks that his son is a superstar, and when he comes into the field, everybody is going to wave their hand for beef. That is not going to happen. He's a proud
Actually,
father.
that's not correct. Actually, that's not reality.
No, that's not reality. He's out of his mind. Some people are really out of their mind. They do not accept the reality. And if you do not accept the reality, you're going to end up very sad. If you do not accept the reality.
Obviously, sir.
Yes, if a frog turns out to be a cow, it will die. If a frog wants to be a
Obviously, sir.
cow, the frog will die. There is no chance a frog will turn out to be a cow. According to Shakespeare, do not show yourself what you are not. You are not supposed
Obviously,
to
sir.
show
I believe that. The
Yeah,
rules of Islam, sir. Islam tells like that.
yeah. Do not show yourself what you are not. If I, for example, I did tell you that. For example, if I have wrong here, if I have wig, and if I wear it, how would it look like? Weird. You understand?
Obviously, sir. Yeah, yeah.
Yes. So if he's living in a world which is made of lies. Willie Lomas' world is made of full of lies. That's why it never came out successful. Okay. Next, what it says, ready to go, Pop. Every muscle is ready. Willie, you realize that what this means? That's right, Pop. Or some they would call their father Pop. Pop, I don't know what do you call your father? Daddy, Abba, Baba. What do you call? What do you call your father?
Father,
Baba?
I tell father. Father. Father.
Yeah,
Sir,
yeah.
I call Abu Baba.
Sir, I called Abbu.
Abbu. Yeah, that's very good. I would call Abba. I think we would say Abba. Okay, na? But they say Pop. It's American expression, typical.
It's
Willie.
okay, sir. You can, as you wish.
Yeah, it doesn't matter. In the way your father call you, you return the same thing. Okay, Willie, you are coming
Thank you.
home this afternoon, captain of all scholastic championship team of the city of New York. Willie is very puffed. He thinks his son is going to turn out to be the captain of the team. Beef would turn out to be the captain of the team in no time. That's not going to happen, of course. I got it, Pop. And remember, pal, when I take off my helmet, that touchdown is for you. He thinks his son is going to be a winner. If you win in America, you take off the hat and touch it on the ground. You understand? In America, if you win the game, you take off your hat and touch it on the ground.
Yeah.
That's how you show that you are the winner. And also, if you see a girl, to show her respect, you move the hat like this. You understand?
Yes, sir.
হ্যাঁ, যদি তুমি কোনো মেয়েকে ইজ্জত করতে রেসপেক্ট করতে চাও, তখন তোমার টুপিটা একটু এভাবে নাড়া দাও বা এরকম করো, মাথাটা একটু ঝুঁকে দাও।
Sir,
এটা হলো
I know that, sir.
Yeah,
It's a culture of
that's
America, sir.
that's what you do. And
Sir,
you had some
this
question.
same thing also done by police when they found any dead man.
Yeah, they some of them do that. Some of them in Japan also they do it. They just bow their head. Okay, Charlie.
Sir, some country use head, their head is down. Like
Yeah,
that.
they take off the
It's
head.
a,
They take off the head.
honor, salute.
Yeah, honor, in honor of someone. Yeah, they take off the head and put it on their chest, like that. Put it like that.
Yes. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, we used to do that in scouts. We were doing some of scouts like that. We take off the head and it like keep it here on the chest. Willie in the car. Charlie, you're going for a ride. I want to shoot some casino. Don't you realize what today is? Oh, he knows, Willie. He's just kidding you. There's nothing to kid about. No, Linda, what's going on? He's playing in Abbotsfield. Baseball in this weather. Abbotsfield is a very big place. It's a renowned place, and if you can win there, you have a chance of the lifetime. And if you can be a winner in Abbotsfield, there are chances that all the big teams in America might choose you as their member of their team. Okay, the next page, I guess. Are the pictures good today? Do you find it good, visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It's visible.
Are they better than the previous day?
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Because of you need pause for capturing. When you to capture, you need pause. That's why you'll get a good picture. And that's why
Today's
good
pictures are
marks.
bad or good?
No, sir. Obviously, then better, sir.
Let me check. Why it's better? Do you have any idea?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Do you have any idea why it's
Like
better?
you
Sir, you
like
use the
flash,
mobile.
look gorgeous and
Anything
cleaner.
is possible. Let
see
me
a show
finish
up.
that. Let
Sir,
me finish
you
it.
got
Let me
new
finish it. I'll
mobile.
tell you later. Okay, I'll tell you later. I'm coming to that. Don't talk to him. Come on. Wait a minute. Didn't you hear the news? What? Don't you listen to the radio? Abbotsfield just blew up. If someone is hollow inside and if he's puffed up, if he's lying, when he comes contact with the truth, he starts crying. If you lie a lot and at some point you cannot hold it anymore. You understand? If I live on lies,
Yes, sir.
at some point when I have to come in contact with the truth, I cannot hold it anymore. I will start crying because now I know the truth that I was living a lie. You understand?
Yes, sir.
Good. We'll come to that after that. Charlie, Willie, when are you going to grow up? Willie, yeah, hey, when this game is over, Charlie, you will be laughing out of the other side of your face. They will be calling him another Red Grange, 25,000 a year. 25,000 a year. If Beef gets a chance in that team, he will get $25,000 a year. That's too much. In 1930, $25,000, you can buy whole village.
So many, sir.
Yeah, 25 lakhs taka. $25,000 means 25 lakhs taka. 25 lakhs taka is not a joke in those days, isn't it? That's a lot of money in those days. So he is very,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
he's very ambitious that his son is going to get a lot of money and he's going to be very rich soon. And do you think it's going to
Rich.
happen? Do you think Beef is going to get a chance in the football team?
No, sir. He doesn't have the ability to play good at the field.
Because he doesn't have the
Skilled.
skill plus mindset, because he's broken inside. If you are not happy inside, you cannot play good, you cannot teach good, you cannot do anything good. If I'm broken
Yes, sir.
inside, if I'm corrupted, I cannot talk to people very good.
You cannot show up in future. You cannot do
No,
a
you
smiling
cannot even
face.
talk to people.
Sorry,
It will show in your face if
Yes.
you're a corrupted person. You understand? You cannot play games, you cannot
Yes.
do anything if you are a corrupted man. You'd know people by their face. And we've had a serious problem.
That's the person face is gloomy, very
Yeah,
gloomy.
it's obvious. It's it's karma. In Hindi it says karma. In our
Sir,
religion,
English says good for nothing. Good
Yeah.
for nothing.
yeah, it's horrible. If you do wrong to people, it is going to hurt you back. If I harm people, it's going to harm me back. That's not very good idea. Okay, see what he's saying. He knows that inside that is not going to happen, but even then he's boosting his son's courage. He's boosting his son so that they get courage to play football. But I don't think it's going to work because his sons discovered that he was with a very bad person, bad girl. So it just broke their mind, shattered their life. If you find your girlfriend with some other boys, how would you feel?
Very angry, sir.
Very
Very
angry.
angry.
Yeah, it would
I
be.
cannot
Obviously too
tell.
bad.
That's up to you.
So how would he
It's
feel if he,
impossible to tell.
impossible to tell? Yeah, girls think that it's funny, but it's not funny. The girls sometimes take
I'm
it
so
very.
serious.
Yes, girls
Obvi-
sometimes
In
take it
that
very
case,
lightly.
girls show me with a girl, me, he will be
Yeah, no,
angry.
no, no.
Same,
Listen,
same to
listen,
same,
listen.
sir.
Shafiq Jaman, listen. Sometimes girl thinks it's very funny. They want to play with the boys, showing the boy that they have other boys interested in them. But the boy who is really interested, who loves them very much, is very angry, and he might not talk to her anymore because
Yes,
he's
sir.
so hard
Obvious, sir.
that it's not easy for him to go back to the old girl. I don't know. I can ask the girl. Do they do it? Do you make your boyfriend angry, jealous? Humaira, Ajra, are you there? Humaira, are you there? I don't think so. Maybe Anika is there. Anika, are you there? Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Would you
Yes,
do
sir.
anything to hurt your boyfriend?
No, sir.
No, sir. Okay. Srabuni, would you do anything to hurt your boyfriend? Are you there, Srabuni?
Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir. I cannot
Okay.
get your question,
Would
sir.
you do anything to hurt your boyfriend?
Or feel jealousy.
Sir,
Would you
actually,
make him
what should I
jealous?
say?
Would you make him jealous? Like talking to other girls, other boys in front of him?
Sir, definitely.
Definitely. It might be, it would be bim boomerang. He might not talk to you anymore in life.
Type of my boyfriend.
No, no. If you have one, would you make him jealous by talking to other boys?
Sir, actually, I don't have any boyfriend, so that's why I don't have any idea about that.
No, no. In future,
If
you'll
you doing
have,
that.
inshallah, you'll have a boyfriend, a husband, and everything. At that time, would you do that?
Sir, I didn't think that.
Okay, no problem. Arjuman Ara is there. Arjuman, are you there? Arjumana is cooking. I think she's cooking very nice dinner for her husband. Okay, next page. Arjuman Ara is a very devoted housewife. Aren't you, Arjuman Ara? Maybe she's sleeping. Okay, let me send you the next one. We have only how many? 10 minutes left for this session. After 10 minutes, you disconnect. Did you get the next page?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, got it.
Okay. Can you read it? Is it clear? Because the light is good here. That's why it's clear.
Somewhere it's
Is it clear?
Sir, above the page, it seems
Yes,
to be
sir.
hard to understood.
72. Above the page is difficult.
To understand, sir.
Should I send another
Please.
one? Should I send another
Yes, sir.
one?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Shabuni, is Shafiq Jaman correct? Can you read it? I think Shafiq Jaman has a bad phone. That's why he cannot see.
Sir, let me check. Let me check,
Sir,
sir.
it's visible.
Is it good to
but
read?
Somewhere it's invisible, sir. It's
Invisible?
visible, but yes, somewhere.
Sir,
Yes, sir.
Shobhit is right man, sir. Right man.
Yeah.
Shabuni,
Same
is it-
here.
Man,
Sir, the
Sabun-
picture is clear, sir.
the
Shabuni, is it
picture
okay or
on the-
not?
Sir,
Yes,
it
sir,
can
the
be
picture is
read.
clear, sir. We can read it.
You can read it.
Can
Sabuni
read
says
it.
pass.
Yes, sir.
Sabuni says it is pass.
Sir, actually, sir, she ate, sir, a small fish, many more. But I'm not. That's why it's
She eats a
edible
lot of
shit like
small
that.
fish. Shafiq Jaman
Like
is
so.
saying that you are eating all the small fish. That's why you have good eyesight.
Sir, actually, sir, I don't like such small fish.
She doesn't like. She only like ilish fish. Ilish মাছ. শ্রাবণী শুধু ইলিশ মাছ খায়, অন্য কোনো মাছ খায় না।
স্যার ইলিশ মাছটা বেশি একটা পছন্দ না স্যার, বেসিক্যালি রুই মাছটা অনেক পছন্দ।
রুই মাছ, আচ্ছা রুই মাছ খায়। আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে, রুই মাছ খায়। আমি এরকম একজন ম্যাডামকেও চিনি, কোনো অসুবিধা নেই। আমি পাঠিয়ে দিচ্ছি আরেকটা, ঠিক আছে, যেহেতু ওরা অভিযোগ করছে। Okay, I think it's there, na? গেছে না? এবার পড়তে পারবা?
Yes, sir. We got that.
Got it.
Yeah. You see what it says? Bernard, oh, just a case I've got here, Willie. That's so. You young to play. You going to play tennis there. Bernard, I'm staying with a friend who's got a court. Don't say his own tennis court. Must be fine people, I bet. They are very nice. Dad tells me Beef's in town. Willie, yeah, Beef's in town working on a very big deal, Bernard. Bernard, what's Beef doing? Well, he's been doing very big things in the West, but he decided to establish himself here very big. We're having dinner. Did I hear your wife had a boy? That's right, our second. 2 boys. What do you know? What kind of deal has Beef got? Willie, well, Bill Oliver, a very big sporting goods man. He wants Beef very badly. Called him in from the West, long distance. Carte blanche, special deliveries. Your friends have their own private tennis court. You know, Willie is very shocked that a man can have his own private tennis court. He might have his own private plane. He might have his own private swimming pool. These things are, dream for a poor man like Willie Loman. And
Sir,
yeah,
it's
I
a
mean, if you
way
say,
of sadness.
yeah, Salman Khan has a private jet, should you be jealous of him?
No,
Does
sir.
it matter to me if
No,
Salman
sir.
Khan has a
I'm
private
happy
jet?
in my situation, sir.
Yeah,
I
you
believe
should
that
not
I'm
worry
happy in
about
my
that.
situation.
You know,
Obviously, sir.
yeah, if someone has a, if someone has a house, if you have a decent salary, if he has a car, that's enough. You don't need to have a private plane to be happy,
Sir.
do you?
No, sir. No, sir.
But this man is very sad because he doesn't have a plane. This is so weird. You understand? If someone has a big
Yes, sir.
car, you should not be sorry about that. You don't have to have everything someone else have. You understand? You should not feel sorry
Yes, sir.
because someone has something. You should earn it. If you want to have something, you should earn it. You should get it by hard work. But if you feel sorry for someone else having that, that's going to make your life a tragedy. Okay, let's see what happens next.
Yes, sir. It's a long tragedy. Tragedy.
Yeah, now, you will see that Beef is going to break down. People might have nervous breakdown if they are not getting what they expect. Mr. Willie Loman is going to have a nervous breakdown because now he's going to explode out of sadness. If I get sad every day, if my sadness grows, at some point this sadness turns into anger, and then you really hurt people or hurt yourself. You understand what I mean? At the end,
You
let's
cannot
see.
then you cannot talk smoothly the people against the peoples, and it seems to be hard, and you
Yeah.
cannot eating well, you cannot show up well, you cannot
Yes,
enjoy the
yes.
world or nature.
Yes.
It seems to be hard all of the side.
Your
You
sadness,
the art seems to be gloomy
Yes.
like you
Yes.
as a nervous people.
yes, your sadness turns to anger. If you're sad every day, if you're sad every time, your sadness turns to anger. What do you have to do to end that sadness? If you are sad all
Actually,
the
sir, I
time,
have no failure.
you have no pain because you are different. But I can ask Aisha. Aisha, are you there?
Yes, sir.
What do you do to get rid of your sadness?
Sir, I sit
Is
alone and listening song.
Oh dear. Okay, I would go to Tanya Taha Naki. Is it Tanya Taha? Are you there,
Yeah, Tanya.
Tanya? Anika, are you there? Are you listening?
Yes, sir.
What do you do to get
Yes,
rid of
sir.
your sadness?
Sir, by listening music,
Okay, okay. You don't get angry. Do you?
sorry, sir, I can't understand.
Do you get angry because you're sad?
Sorry, sir.
ডু ইউ গেট অ্যাংরি? তুমি কি খুব রাগ করো যখন তোমার খুব দুঃখ হয় যে আমি সব ভেঙে চুরে সমান করে ফেলবো?
Yes, sir.
হ্যাঁ, এটাই আমি বলতেছিলাম।
Yes,
এই
sir.
রাগ,
মাঝে মধ্যে জিনিস টিনিসও ভাঙ্গা ফেলাই।
ডিয়ার, আমি আগে আন্দাজ করছিলাম, আমি দেখি বুঝতে পারছিলাম যে তুমি এরকম করতে পারো। আমরা প্রীতির কাছে যাই। প্রীতি,
Sir, you are so clever, so clever. You can guess
প্রীতি,
the
প্রীতি,
character of Hawk Maula. You can just
এই
follow me. That's why you get good
এই-
marks here.
এই প্রীতি, তুমি তুমি রাগ করলে কি করো? মানে তুমি যখন কষ্ট পাও তুমি কি রাগ করো?
কি স্যার, রাগ তো করি স্যার, রাগ তো হয় স্বাভাবিক হবে।
হ্যাঁ, তখন তুমি কি করো এটা আমি জানি, তারপর আমি তোমাকে জিজ্ঞেস করতেছি। তুমি যখন মানে তোমার যখন
স্যার
মন
আপনি
খারাপ হয়,
জানেন না স্যার।
তোমার যখন মন খারাপ হয় তখন তুমি কি করো?
আমি বেসিক্যালি যখন মন খারাপ হয় নাকি যখন রাগ হয়?
না, যখন তোমার মন খারাপ হয়
ও
তুমি কি
আচ্ছা।
রাগ করো
স্যার যখন মন
নাকি
খারাপ হয়
মনে করো
তখন
যে মাফ করে দিলাম, আল্লাহর রাস্তায় মাফ করে দিলাম?
না স্যার, আমি মাফ করি না সহজে। যদি
তুমি একদমই মাফ করো না।
মাফ
হ্যাঁ,
করার
এটা তো
মতো
আমি
কোনো
জানি।
কথা,
হ্যাঁ, আর কি আর কি?
স্যার আমি বেসিক্যালি মন খারাপ হলে গান শুনি বা কোনো ফানি ভিডিও দেখি।
ওকে,
আর
গুড।
গান শুনে একটা গরম এক মগ কফি খাইতে খাইতে,
Good.
আর হচ্ছে যার সাথে কথা বলতে আমার ভালো লাগবে তার সাথে কথা বলি।
আচ্ছা, ওই আলিফা না? আলিফা, আমাদের আলিফার সঙ্গে কথা বলো।
না স্যার, আলিফার সাথে না, আলিফা ছাড়া
তাহলে কি
অনেকেই আছে স্যার।
আরজুমানের সাথে নাকি শ্রাবণীর সাথে? শ্রাবণের সাথে।
না স্যার, আদ্রুর সাথে তো কথা হয় না আমার।
ওকে,
স্যার শ্রাবণের সাথে কথা হতো আগে, এখন তো কথা হচ্ছে না। আর অনেকেই আছে।
ওকে, ঠিক আছে, নো প্রবলেম। আই উড গো টু মুনিরা। মুনিরা, আর ইউ দেয়ার? Munira, are you there? I think she's sleeping.
Sir.
Okay, Munira, what do you do if you
Na
are sad?
sir. Sir.
Munira is sleeping. You see, she woke up from sleep. You know, Munira, what do you do if you are sad?
Listening song.
And do you beat people? Do you beat
বসে
people?
থাকি স্যার।
মানুষকে
No.
মারো?
No.
No, you don't beat people. Okay.
No.
Okay. You see, our time is over. After this session, we are going to have informal session. We are going to end our recording. Thank you very much. I'm coming back after the break.
Okay, sir.
Most welcome, sir.
It's a less than
Thank you
1
so
minute.
much for participation.